I am so excited to share today's recipe, Lomo Saltado. This dish reminds me of growing up in Peru, and it was the first dish that I cooked when I moved to the United States. I have partnered with Beef It's What's for Dinner, a contractor of the Beef Checkoff for Heart Health Month, to share this recipe with you. I've talked to so many clients and friends who were under the impression that meat, like beef, cannot be included as part of a heart-healthy diet. But you know what? I want to debunk the myth. There is a large body of research that supports including lean beef as part of a heart-healthy diet and lifestyle. Heat up the oil in a medium-sized skillet, then add the meat and season it. Then remove the meat from the pan. Using the same skillet, add the onions, the bell peppers, the garlic and vinegar, and the ají chili paste. Now let's add the tomatoes. Return the beef to the pan.